Hello guys. So I recorded this video before and for some reasons it was not recording and I couldn't upload it. So I'm gonna do it again. Alright, so here in this video I'm going to be showing the community how to trade the head and shoulder pattern. That's exactly what I'm gonna be showing you guys today. How to trade the head and shoulder pattern on the GBP USD on the 4 hour time frame, right? That's exactly what we're gonna be doing right now in this video. So I hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are doing well. You guys are having a great day, okay? So yeah. All right. So let's get started without wasting any time because I know most of you guys don't really have that long attention span, because social media these days, most people just want to quickly flip into a video and dabble out. All right, but anyway, one of the things associated with forex trading is patience. So if you want to be a forex trader, you want to be a consistently profitable forex trader, you must learn patience in every sphere. In every way, you must be patient. Because I know most of your guys be like, "Oh, just get started already." No, you've got to be patient. Okay, just be a little patient. All right, patience. Just learning how to stay on your hands is one of the things that's gonna make you successful in forex trading. It's not really just about chart analysis. Patience. Just learning how to be still. The act of being. There's this book I'm gonna recommend for everybody, not just some of you. I've read the book and I think it's a very good book. This is not a paid promotion. It's called The Power of Now and then also Practicing the Power of Now. You guys go read that book. It's very good. It's gonna help you learn just being, because most people just stuck with, that busy syndrome, like you feel the need to always be busy. Most people feel like being busy is a flex. Oh, what are you doing? I'm busy. No, you don't have to be busy all the time, guys. You don't have to be busy all the time. Sometimes you can just chill and not do anything. You're not reading, you're not eating, you're not playing, you're not trading, you're just being. You're just being. You're not doing anything, you know. And that's the highest height of human power, just ability to be. All right. So like I said, and as labored on this video, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to trade the head and shoulder pattern. And as you guys already know, the head and shoulder pattern is by far one of the most reliable um, reversal pattern there is in forex trading. So whenever you see the head and shoulder pattern, you can be 90% sure that price is reversing. All right, especially when it's happening on a higher time frame, either the 4 hour time frame, the daily time frame, or the weekly time frame, right? So whenever you see the head and shoulder pattern, you can be sure to a large extent, 90% of the time, that price is about to reverse. All right. So yeah. So talking about the head and shoulder pattern, as you can see on this charts, now you have the head. Price been coming all the way up. Price been coming all the way up, like higher high, higher low, higher high. You can put it here, you can put it here, but however, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. All right. And then higher high, then came here. It's supposed to be like higher low, but came here to form equal low. This is our first trigger to be like, hey, what's going on here? And then you see this, and then price came again, broke this place. All right, so there's something going on around this area that signifies that hey, there's about to be a reversal. So let me take this off and explain this better for you guys. Okay, so having explained how price been moving, came up to this place. Now you guys can see that we have a head, we have a left shoulder, and then we have a right shoulder. You see, this is the head and shoulder pattern. So whenever you see this pattern, you know that price is about to change direction. And then here we have the neckline. Boom. You see, another thing I want to explain to you guys is when you see a head and shoulder pattern where it seems like the right shoulder is a little bit lower than the left shoulder, this is a perfect example of a head and shoulder pattern. No brainer. This signifies that price is about to reverse to the opposite direction. As you know, the head and shoulder is a reversal pattern telling us that price has stopped its bullish momentum and price is about to go bearish. All right. So when we say bearish, we mean price is about to start selling. It's about to start going down. Okay. That's what it simply means to be bearish. And then now as you guys can see, price broke this neckline. Head, left shoulder, right shoulder, and then price broke this neckline. Yep. So as you guys can already know, um, we practically trade the break and retest strategy. So having our left shoulder and having our right shoulder and then we're having our head is already a confirmation that price is about to go down. But we're not just gonna jump in right here immediately because this could still just be a normal pullback. But however, this is a strong indication that price is gonna go back. It's about to start being bearish, but we're still gonna wait for extra confirmation. What's the extra confirmation we're waiting for? We want price to, okay, we're expecting price to get to this support here, right, before coming back to test this neckline. Because ordinarily, the way the price moves is this like this. Price moves in a zigzag, either upward in a range or downwards. So this is how price moves originally in forex trading: higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. All right, this is for an uptrend when the market is bullish. Let me put this one here. That's one way that price moves, or it can either move in a consolidation. This is consolidation in a range. This is not a good time to trade. All right, this is chaotic. All right, so price moves like this also. Price can either be moving like this, or like this, or like this. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Right? So yeah, these are the three ways price moves in the forex market. Okay, it's either going higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, or it's consolidating. Personally, I don't trade when price is moving this way. This is consolidation. This is where you blow your accounts because you're not sure the direction of the market. So this is chaotic. All right, so you either trade when price is like this or price is like this, forming a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, or lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So when price is like this, let's signify this with green. It means well bullish, bullish or buying. And when price is like this, it means we're selling, bearish. Okay. So yeah, Now, as you guys can see right here, we were bullish all along. We were bullish all along here. And now we're about to be bearish here. See? You guys can see that. Yeah. Okay. So now when price is bearish, when price is bullish, and then you see this pattern, the head and shoulder pattern, it means price is about to start going down bearish. So that's exactly what this head and shoulder stands for. And now, if we say that price moves higher, high, higher, low, higher, high, higher, low, higher, 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 low, and then or lower, low, lower, high, lower, low, lower, high, and then we see this head and shoulder pattern, which signifies that price is about to start going down. So basically, what we're expecting here now should be this lower, low, lower, high, lower, low. We're expecting price to come back and touch this place again, which is a lower high. Simply just the way the market moves. We're not trying to create anything that does not exist. We're practically just following how price moves in the market. So basically, we're expecting price to potentially get to this level or a little bit lower or however it wants to do. We don't tell the market what to do. We just sit on our hands and see what happens. And then if our pattern comes up, we execute. That's all we do. We don't trade what we feel, we trade what we see. All right. So simply following how price moves, we'll expect now that price has broken this neckline, we're expecting price to get to somewhere around here or a little more, however it wants to behave. But basically, this is our entry. Once price gets to this blue zone, we're going to be looking for entry to the downside because we already have all the confirmation that we need by virtue of this head and shoulder pattern, then break and retest. So, guys, that is how to trade the head and shoulder pattern. Whenever you see this pattern in the market, be rest assured that it's a sell. When you see head and shoulder. Okay. When price gets here, you don't just get in. Some people can get in here and then aggressively, yeah, must have made a lot of money. But as you guys already know, Forex trading is all about longevity. How long can you sustain that way with which you're trading? Okay. So practically, we trade the break and retest. You break it, you retest it, you look for an entry here, you come all the way down. All right, guys. So this is pre-market analysis. Don't forget to subscribe. You have my Instagram down below here. You have my TikTok. Because on my TikTok, I do live trading. Once I'm taking a trade, I go live on TikTok so that you all, my beautiful people, my community can see how I trade live. You guys can see if I'm winning or if I'm taking a loss. So I do that on my TikTok. And then you guys can also follow me, my free signal group on Telegram, where I drop the trade signals right before I take the trade. All right. So that once I'm getting in, you guys can also get in, and then you can watch me live on TikTok and see how I manage my trade when I'm on the trade, my mindset, my psychology, how I feel, my reasoning. You guys can get to watch that live on TikTok. So just endeavor to follow me on all of my platforms because we're creating the community. It's not just me. Some of the times I might also be communicating with other professional traders, so that you can just understand the psychology behind trading because trading is not just all about knowing how to analyze the charts, although that's a very key part of trading, but psychology encompasses 80% of your trading success. Okay, so understanding how I reason, how I think while I'm trading is very important as well. That's why you have to follow me on TikTok. My TikTok handle, all of my social media handles where I'm active is gonna be down this video. Just try to follow me, so that you can advance your trading journey. we can all go together hand to hand because trading is a community. It's a collaboration. All right. There's no such thing that as I'm a better trader or I'm the best. No, the most important thing is to be consistently profitable. You know, and then collaborate. That's what the wealthy people have over the poor. Collaboration. Successful people collaborate. Poor people compete. You know, so here in Forex plug, we collaborate. All right. So once again, don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. You know, let's share it. All right, so that other people can get to watch it and learn from it. So yeah, with that being said, I'll be back here again to do the post-market analysis to show you guys how the trade played out. And then while the trade is playing out, also I'm gonna be live on TikTok. All right. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. Stay blessed. Stay consistent. Don't give up on forex trading. Forex trading can be hard sometimes. It can be confusing. It can be daunting. That's why you need a community. That's what we're creating here at Forest Blog. Creating a community more like where you can a shoulder where you can lean on. To you know, encourage you throughout your forex trading journey. Because forex trading can be really lonely, when you're making all that mistakes, it can be really crazy. But when you have a community that encourages you and tell you that, oh yeah, all of your mistakes are normal, you, you can understanding that, yeah, they're not peculiar to you, that can be a very big source of encouragement, So, all right. So, with that being said, guys, I'll see you again in my next video. You have a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day, and I love you guys. Bye for now.